me who say you see party B ewo Ghana ewo say onu ena ewo so tena da na say MPP. To be honest with you, one sama me nua panyi edi kan ekan reverend any near senior so osaka eka ho no uka ni nyina bom na menjin di say NDC ni na any other party bia wo obia individual a wo vision ti say sada ti na che say MPP ye wo ade a esumu papa nti say ye see ye beka ye nyina bom na ya ade a esi efatana. There is no any political party our Oman Ghana our betimi MPP. So
well said.
Now having said that, election ye kwei ye primaries ye hwehwe obi a obe to Franca Emma MPP na eneno ohwe a omo agina nyina no omo nyina ya astute members of the party. Omu bibri a contribute and I say omu nyina contribute in one way or the other in supporting the MPP party. Na adia eye no krani say at every point in time no ye wo obi anyankompon eyi no say we ena ewiase efa no so a ebetimi eyeye. On say before Jesus Christ beba no na nipa pi eba US ebebo mu hu amadi pa nti Jesus buy no ono omu esaye adwuma preko together so and then that no with even with that no onu na oye nyankunpon oye obi anyankunpon eyi no obegin di edi bible eba ya na say di Christianity as ebegina ewiase ha no so nti sasana tidia ne MPP fo nyina esi efata se ye di franka no ma no obetimi e de ekọ be bia ye pese ye kọ biara but sisi aye kase minia minu mienu enyina beje edi se enya His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia MPP ye di obia ko 2024 na will struggle. Niente na mesi ye best struggle ni say ushe the demographic electioneering of this country now. Yowra His Excellency the Vice President ena ye obia oba MPP party mu ena esisa sana na oman Ghana sana na ye si tu yaba efa ono ba aye no nioma ne sisa ye. I can tell you say we share from 2016 about 2020 now uko the northern region of Ghana na NDC ekutamo 24 of the seats
out of the 35
na MPP kuta 4 and na independent ekuta bako. In fact at the point in the life of this country not PNC ekuta seats kura chain MPP in the northern region.
That's true.
But Yowra His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic ebaya no otimisi sa nyoma no gradually niente na mesi onu na baya nyoma no sisa no uhwa nyoma no starti sisa abra onu yede ne ba as the running mate of the MPP no so enti from there no essence ye wo enti time na yedi edwumanity me fast
that's a nay MPP was 60.
Also northern region now MPP were more seat than NDC. In fact nukrani say sankanye the seat na MPP 17 seat na MPP egi free NDC in some no nka enne in parliament nka MPP ebewo minority even though you were power would have been having a minority in as a result of a vote na MP parliamentary seats now you lose all around Ghana no. Share MPP edges 17 seats from the NDC. Out of these 17 seats now MPP edge free NDC in Samono, 15 of them are from the northern region. 15. Emu baako 15 are from the northern region. In fact, and in the election 2020, Abra MPP lose seats Emma NDC no. Na MPP gain seat from the northern region.
Okay.
So this is the factor of one single person. Onu na Yora, His Excellency the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. So, inti say see obia obetimi ama the electoral fortunes of MPP eye na ne yentimi say the Vice President Yora Bawumia. If you say sisi ayekase ekuo a ye friend no MPP no anase a political party bia na ewo Ghana ha yeti kuo no se ne be ya yebetimi anya political power mo boa agi tumi nti sa tumi no ena yegi a yebetumi eka anase yebetimi aye adwumpa
daisumpa no daiso no
aha ewe yetirimu na
ne kese tumi no a untimi
emfa
ya Mr. Amo
eka no untimi mfanya bibia. Now sa yewo obi a onu more or less no oye electoral fortuna anase onu na yedini ye election na yetimi nye power na adanti na yamfa onu akono anko na yenye power na afi na omo wonim die no a yebetimi eye Ghana yie no na omo nyina obe ebeka na omo sum.
Okay.
It doesn't necessarily mean say you funny say me Inusah and me ye president of this country now. Nature say me na metimi aye policies are ebe ma ahuto eba Ghana nyina debi with the team ye betima aye nyoma amani ye. Ode hwe sisi aye kase ofa all the aspirants na me omufa forms no omu biara NDC and ankotena bebia and attack omu bia just say back nipa bakope menhu station bia me koye and I say metie omu either say on radio and I say on TV na NDC ni
communicator
and I say NDC officials including their flag bearer ebo obi fufrodin except nipa bako. So onu na ye obi ne okuta dumpeno onu na obia edinechi. So look at your system CCA NDC for no idea omudi taki His Excellency Bawumia say almost see or chantro. I mean you may be some way. Sa obisi ye ba power ye be ye ABCD. Na ye ba power na ye timi ye AB na CD no ya ntumi anya anase ye gusu a eya na ntro na otwa anase sena na yesusu se ye ba nyoma be kototi no anu na ankoye.
Okay.
So now you can look at it say year 2016 election no and some na His Excellency the Vice President okekani nyinara on kanyoma bia any MPP manifesto mo bosha o share nyina na ni nyina ewo MPP manifesto.
That's right.
And all other MPP members including me and me papa and me senior brother ye nyina ekasa bi say MPP ba power ye betimi aye ABCD but esan say ya nya akunya enko kan wo bedwom anase na ye ni capacity to have the whole manifesto in our head say ye betimi akani nyina all the time ye gina ba bia no nipa bi anti policies ni bi free enum omuti ni nyina free His Excellency the Vice President nenum. In fact policies ni bi krampo na enye ono idea but esen say ekuo ni nyina tenase e draftee sa particular manifesto no ono ni dia no eya oyire no hu etimi di nyoma no pii e hye ne trim se na be ya ba bia ogina bia otimi ka nyoma no nyina a ewo ye manifesto mu ama eye Ghana for fair ena omu hwe so eto abamae. He is not taking credit for ensamna na okane nyina. Then why then should he take vilification for ensamna na okano abra eye ye nyina ya idea.
Okay.
So nti sasa we nyina say ye boni nyina pona tisese na me di kankan no at every point bia no ye obi a obewu ama nation and I say party emani even in this world sana it has been yɛmfa ne sɛ before independence no na nipa bebree ewu amasa ɔman yi yɛkasa yi ɔmo bi ɔmo mma ɛne ɔmo nananom they are not even in politics yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ yɛnkɔhwehwɛ ɔmo na yɛmfa ɔmo embedi president ana so the fact say wakum hu ɛma ekuo bi it is not for say ɔkyina na yɛmfa ekuo no hyɛ wo nsam nti na wokum hu ɛma saa ekuo no there be but essence say you believe in the vision of that particular ekuo no and now say the tradition of ekuo no wagye to say nyɛ saa particular tradition we no tradition biara ebaba Ghana bia no yentumpon ntina yanyina yekɔ akodori saa particular ekuo now if you believe in the tradition necessary tradition no etimi ye at any point now it doesn't necessarily mean say yemfa wo embeye frankatuni and now say yemfa wo embeye president you can still be part and even perform unim say the truth obia enyanka wo bebia ne say MPP no mu a ye wo sisia ene ye achievement a ye achieve bebrebe sei ni nyina emfre Akufo-Addo tirmu His Excellency the President of the Republic. True. That's a fact. Ni nyina wan hwe krampo na over 80% did not even come from Onuan ideas, but it came from the excellent men of MPP, the astute men of MPP na yewo to say sana to say yewura alanchermantin any yewura Canada Japan mu any Afriya Kutumu any all other members of the party. So but sa Ghana for ebe kan some sisiana sorry omo kan some no to say MPP ND free senior high school ebaye ebe ka hosa MPP ND drone delivery service eba Ghana ebe ka hosa ya MPP natumi ye ema massive transformation of Ghana especially in terms of the digital divide ebaye yebe kan sa MPP ena eye party bia ewo vision say sa Ghana say yebetum pona just say yehu Ghana for nyina a omo one platform so a omo Ghana card and I say bibia ebetimi eche say we eye Ghana ni we su ya obia oti Ghana card a okra echere say oti Ghana ni nemo onya Ghana so nti sa nyoma nyina dachi bi yebeka say MPP na ba ya yetumi eye sa nyoma we nyina wo de kan hu say enre ya NDC for baye ebeji $5 million say omudi kwa akoye Ghana card $5 million no Ghana actually $5 million no but omutu hono na card no una wo bi na oni bi MPP baye card no woni bi sisia yeti he say woni sa card no untimi nya bibia emane nya hie uwa ubra bokrampo you won't feel happy because abefu fedi aba bibi wo ho ma ye friend for
Ghana card number 2
bibia obeye bia ye see for Ghana card bra so MPP na ye enti sa nyoma we nyina MPP na betimi aye every MPP members omu adwunu mu ana say omu dreams no mu ebana me I believe say yenye ne ye be ewo say ye biara na MPP and remaining in power senebe ya nyomopa ana say dayepa ye nyina yesum no ebetimi continue sa
say the emra so obetimi ade electoral fortune sa
hono na mikeka eba no so we see aka 3 minutes
aka 2 minutes
aka 2 minutes until wrap up no e was say sa plane there oto a e was say
mesa ba mo champion tu dey ojo ahome ma
ni amika ne say ye betumi anya electoral fortune na we must go with His Excellency Yewura Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na MPP and to me and thank
you very much.